Can you see the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After copy the question, this is your model question paper problem. I sent 3 question papers, right? Previous year question papers. 2 were model question papers and 1 is your previous year question paper. I am searching for the remaining question paper. Actually, it is there in the file. The file is there in the college. That's what I am searching in the online itself to send to you. Okay. So if I get more papers on 18 Mat 21, I will send in the group. Okay. So I sent 3 question papers. You can refer that papers. Then you can solve that papers. You can start. Keep one notebook to solve the question papers module wise. So then you will get the clarity on the questions how they will ask in the examination. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Already I sent 3 question papers. You keep 200-page notebook. So in that you start answering the questions module wise. So if you go for first module, so six questions from each question paper you will get from the first module. When first question paper you will get 6 questions from first module. In second question paper you will get 6 questions from the first module. In third question paper you will get 6 questions from the first module. So totally 18 questions. Out of 18 questions, some questions may be repeated. So no need to write the repeated questions. Which questions are not repeated? So write the question and answer for that. And write that question is asked in which question paper. So then it is easy for you to refer at the time of examination. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the 7th question. This is your model question paper problem. Find the work done. Find the work done by the force. Vector F is equal to 3x square I plus 2xz minus y into j plus z into k cap. When it moves a particle from the point t equal to 0 to t equal to 2. T equal to 0 to t equal to 2. Along the curve x equal to t, y equal to t square by 4 and z equal to 3t cube by 8. So for that first we have to write down the data. Data is given vector f solution we have to find. What is the work done? Formula we have?
Integral OC
dr.
f vector of dot vector dr.
Dr. Yes, integral OC vector f dot dr is a formula to find the work done. Okay. So next we have to find out. Right? What we have to find out? We have to find out integral OC vector f dot dr. To find this one, first we have to find out vector f dot dr. Okay. What is the vector f given? What is the vector f given?
3x square I plus
Yes.
3x square I plus
3x square I plus 2xy
minus yj plus zk.
Yes, correct. That is the vector f given. What is vector dr?
3x I plus d1j plus dzk.
Now do the dot product of vector f and dr. Okay. Vector f dot dr you consider. Since we know that what is I dot I?
1.
1. So multiply this.
1
3x square into what you will get if you multiply?
3x square dx.
Next plus
2xz minus y into dy.
dy.
Next plus z dz. Okay, now we got vector f dot dr. Next we have to find out OC vector f dot dr. For that they are given the equation, the curve. The curve is having x equal to t, y equal to t square by 4 and z equal to 3t cube by 8. Substitute x, y, z values. So along with x, y, z we have to substitute for dx, dy and dz. First you substitute and simplify with f dot dr, then go for the integration. Now they are given that x equal to t. If x equal to t, what is dx?
dt.
dt. Differentiation on both sides. If y equal to t square by 4, what is dy? What's the differentiation of y is dy? What's the differentiation of RHS?
half t dt.
2t by 4 into dt. Correct? 2 ones are 2, 2
Yes,
are
ma'am.
4 cancel. That is 1 by 2 t into dt. Next, z is equal to 3 by 8 t cube. What is dz?
9 by 8 t square dt.
9 by 8 t
9
square
by 8
dt
3 square.
into dt. In finding dx value, dy value and dz value in terms of t. And in differentiation, your differentiation of t square is 2t. Divide by 4 into dt. 2 ones are 2, 2s are cancelled. That is 1 by 2 t dt. Differentiation of t cube is 3t square into dt. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 8 t square dt. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Values for x, y, z as well as dx, dy, dz in equation 2. So equation f dot dr is equal to 3, write 3 as it is. X square, what is x?
T.
Is t, substitute here. T square, what is dx in terms of t?
dt.
dt,
dt.
substitute. X plus 2 into, what is x?
T.
t.
T. Next, substitute for z, what is z?
8t
3t cube by 8.
3 8 by t cube. Next, minus y. What is y value?
t square
T square by what is y value?
t square by 4.
t square by 4,
T
ma'am.
square by 4. Change here. I written t power 4. It is not t power 4. You change this as t square. T square by 4. So into what is dy?
t by 2 dt.
D by 2.
T by 2
dt.
Substitute here. Okay, next. Next, plus what is z? Substitute for z. What is z?
3t cube by 8.
3 by 8 t cube. What is dz?
9 by
9 by
8
8
t square
t
dt.
square
dt.
dt.
9 by 8
9
t
t
square
square by
dt. Now simplify this. What you get after simplification? What is vector f dot dr you got? What is your vector f dot dr? Vector f dot dr is equal to, simplify, 3t square dt. Correct? 3t square dt next plus 2t 2 into 3 by 8 is what? What is 2 into 3 by 8? Hello?
3 by 4.
So that is 2 4s are cancelled. That is 3 by 4. 3 by 4.
t power 4.
T power 4. T by 4 3 t power 4 minus t square by 4. T square by 4 into t by 2 dt. As it is you write, later we can multiply. Sorry, not t square. This is t by 2 into dt. So what is the last term? Last term is plus. So no term will get cancelled. 9 3s are. What is 9 3s are? 27.
27.
27 by 8 8s are?
64.
4. T cube into t square.
t power 5.
t power 5. Bases are same, add the powers. 3 plus 2, 5 into dt. So now you multiply here, take dt common. Take dt common in the RHS. So we obtain which is equal to, after taking dt common, so first term is 3t square, correct? What is the first term? 3t square.
3t square.
Plus you
Plus 1 by
multiply with t by 2. Okay, 3 by 8, 3 by 4 to the 8, t power 4 into t,
3 power 5.
t power 5, t power 5 minus, so t square into t,
T power 3.
t cube.
t cube by 4 to the 8. I took dt common. Next plus 27 by what?
4.
64 into
64.
t to the power of
T power 5.
5 into dt. Now we obtain the value of vector f dot dr. So after finding vector f dot dr, what we should consider?
Integral.
Now, next line, consider integral over c vector f dot dr. Integral over c vector f dot dr. Integrate on both sides. So which is equal to integral. So write down these terms what we simplified. Write all the terms. 3t square plus 3 by 8 t power 5. So we have two terms of t power 5, right? You simplify second term and last term by taking LCM as 64. Simplify, add first, second term and last term, taking 64 as LCM. What's the LCM for 8 and 64?
64.
64. 8 8s are 8 8s are 64. 8 3s are 24. 24 t power 5 plus 27 t power 5. Correct?
50.
Yes.
Right? 24 plus 27 is what? Yes?
51.
51.
So we obtain second term as 51 by 64 into t power 5. Okay, what is the third term?
T cube by 8.
Minus is there, right? Minus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus t cube by 8 into dt. So we are substituted for vector f dot dr inside the integral sign, but we have to take the limit for t. What is the limit for t?
0 to 2.
0 to 2. Correct. They are given in the question from the point t equal to 0 to t equal to 2. Take the limit. T varies from t equal to 0 to t equal to 2. T equal to 0 to t equal to 2. Now integrate. Then apply the limit and give me the final answer.
20, ma'am.
Is the answer is 20? Likit said answer, final answer is 20. Please all of you check it. So integration of t square is t cube by 3. 3 cancelled, only t cube plus 51 by 64 t power 6 by 6. So next minus 1 by 8 into what you got the answer? Still you are doing? Hello? All of you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
So nobody is talking then. 3 into t cube by 3 plus 51 by 64 into what? T power what? T power 6 by 6
6.
minus 1 by 8 into t power 4 by 4, correct?
4.
1 by 8 into t power 4 by 4. Now apply the limit. What is the limit? We have
0 to
2. Put upper limit as 2 and lower limit as 0. Here 3 and 3 cancel. So next we have to substitute the upper limit, that is t cube means 2 cube. Correct? 2 cube minus 0. Next. Plus 51 by 64. 51 by 64 into upper limit. What is upper limit? 2. 2 power 6 divide by 6. 2 power 6 by 6 minus 0. Lower limit is 0. Okay, next come to the last term. Minus 1 by 8 into 2 power 4 minus 0. Correct? Is it right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 cube is what? What is 2
8.
cube? 8. 8 plus 51 by 64 into what is 2 power 6?
64.
64. This 64 and this 64 cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
So plus 51 by 6. Correct? Is it right? Second term is 51 by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Third term 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 16.
16.
16 by 8. 8 2s are 16. So that is 2 minus 2. Is this minus 2 third term? Third term is minus 2.
Minus 1 by 2, ma'am.
So minus 1 by 2 now. 1 by 8 into t power 4 alva.
Minus 1 by 2.
I see here 4 2s
Yes,
are
ma'am.
is there,
Minus 1
correct?
by
4 2s are 8 4s are
32.
32.
32 is there, 16 2s are. That is not, it is not 1 by 2. It is, sorry, it is not 2, it is 1 by 2. Now take the LCM. What is the LCM for 1, 6 and 2? What's the LCM for 1, 6 and 2?
6, ma'am.
6 is the LCM.
6.
So next, multiply 8 6 are
48.
48.
48 plus 6 1s are 6 itself, that is plus 51. Next, minus 2 3s are, that is 3. 48 plus 51 is what? 99
99, ma'am.
99 minus 3. 99 minus 3, 96. 96 by 6.
16, ma'am.
96 by 6 is 16.
16, ma'am. 16 is the answer.
Is the answer 16 is correct or 20 is correct?
16 is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Even I got 16.
Even I got 16, ma'am.
Like we all got 16. Your answer is 20. Right? Which one is
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
16.
I will check, ma'am.
You didn't check till now. This is overconfidence. Is 16 correct?
Ma'am, I will check. I will check my
Yes.
my answer, ma'am.
Yes, you have to check your answer. We are doing no. Along with us, you would have checked no.
In the middle, I didn't do LCM, ma'am. I directly done. ma'am.
How it's possible to add directly without taking LCM? Is this right? What we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All of us got 16 as an answer, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next concept is, so actually the second concept of first module is what is the first concept of first module? Vector differentiation, correct? First concept of first module. We did vector differentiation, curl, divergence and gradient.
And curl.
Gradient. That we discussed. So vector differentiation we discussed in the first concept. In the second topic of the first module, we are discussing vector integration. In vector integration, already we discussed one concept, that is line integral, to find total work done as well as to find the line integral for the given curve. Correct? So along with that, we have three more integral theorems. Okay, three more integral theorems. So that we are going to discuss. One is Green's theorem, second one is Stokes theorem, third one is Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, so these three concepts we have. If we discuss these three concepts, that completes your first module. Okay, so before going to discuss these three concepts of complex integrals, vector integrals. So first we have to know what is the meaning of surface integral and volume integral, because in the other three theorems what I told, there we are using surface integral and volume integral words. So if we are using that words, we have to get to know what is the meaning of it. Okay, surface integral. Surface integral is an integral evaluated over the given surface. That's it. So if they are given the surface, we are going to evaluate so given function over the surface. So it is denoted by double integral